As far as real estate industry in India is concerned, there's a lot of scope for improvement in vertical growths. Basically, if you'll compare India real estate growth in terms of vertical, like the skyline, basically Chicago, Hong Kong, so we are lacking behind these countries. So I believe all the developers are working hard on that, and definitely I see after 5 years, definitely you can say we will be on a right track and on a very good platform to establish India as a very good skyliner also. There are lots of lots of barriers in real estate. The one of the biggest among all is governance and the factor. Like I give you one example. Like suppose I want to make an 50-story building in a tier B city. The biggest problem which I face or a developer face is they don't have even fire brigade offices. So if I'll construct the building, this lack of infrastructure is there. No fire stations, no other infrastructure is there. So one from the government side, second from the infrastructure side, and thirdly, that is very important, the facilities management. To manage the buildings after the delivery, that is also one of the biggest threat in that particular area, because the cost of maintenance is very high. So we have to look into this matter in future. No, as such, there is no communication gap between the government and the private developers, not at all. Even many occasions we have invited all the government bodies and all the government officials. The problem is nobody is ready to, वो एक हिंदी में कहा होता है ना, बिल्ली की गली में घंटी कौन बांधेगा. So that is the biggest threat. Either it is a Bhajpa or any government it is, but this is one of the biggest threat. But we have to definitely, like, regulatory is a good step. The real estate regulator which is coming up, that is very good, but again it is a single way, so it should be a two ways. There is a great demand and supply gap. So all these studies says there is a great demand in the near future and a shortage of around billions of houses in India. So definitely I'll say the future is very bright, because as far as even rural areas is concerned, I always say in my speech that we have to move to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, like basically semi-urban and the rural areas, and integrated cities and the integrated growth we have to look, which is the most important factor in India.